All right, we're going to talk about this problem here a little bit. And when I try to do it, there's a couple missing dimension. These two arc right here, and I have to guess based on this given dimension. So first, let's go ahead and turn on all my dimensions. So you see this arc is a 52.2. That helped me guesstimate this two dimension here. So basically, I'm guessing a number. And so let's go ahead and start drawing this right here. So you can see this 85. I'm going to go ahead and establish that real quick first. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go and try to see if I can stay as close to that as possible. I want 85. Okay, hit escape. Now let's go back to my construction. At that point, end point, I'm going to draw a circle of dimensions 26, or the radius is 13, and then hit enter again. This one is 52 in diameter, so I'm going to do D, enter, and then I'll do 52, enter. All right, I'll do enter again to get the one at the bottom, which is 8 and 18 in radius. Okay, when I have that, it's going to help me drawing the next things. I'm going to take this, I'm going to go in, I'm going to go in 80. I'm right here, 80. All right, I'm going to hit escape. Matter of fact, I'm not going to do that right there. I'm just going to click on it, and here's where I'm going to assume. I'm going to assume that this right here is in the center of the distance from here to here. It's halfway. So I'm going to go here to the midpoint. I'm going to go to the right 80. I'm going to assuming that center. So now that will give me the location where I can draw this circle of radius of diameter 30. Okay, now I have that diameter is 30. Let me double check this one. Diameter 30. All right. Okay, when that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at all of this smaller one. I see the 33.5 here from the center to that center. So I'm going to take the center here. I'm going to draw, before I do that, let's go to center line. I'm going to draw a circle that is 33.5. All right, that will be my my center. I don't know why it's not get my center things not snapping to the center line. It is the center line. For some reason, it's not working. All right, all this right here are my center line. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go back to my construction layer. I'm going to click on that. At this endpoint here, I zoom in right there. That one is where I'm drawing a circle of diameter 21.9. So I'm going to do D, enter 21.9, enter. All right, how many do I have? I'm going to do array for sure. Click on that, hit enter. And now this is only 6. It seems like that's 8 is what I need. All right, so that's 8. When that is good, close it. All right, the next one we're going to have is the radius of 52.2 right there. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to do 52.2, enter. All right, we're going to go now construct this segment here. So it's going to be control right click, tangent, this one, control right click, tangent, this one. Hit escape. I'm going to go over here doing the same thing. Control right click, tangent. Over here, control right click, tangent. Hit escape. And then now I can go ahead and trim. Okay. So now those are gone. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take a look at a couple of things here. The only thing we need to do now is this and that. So I'm going to go ahead and assume a number for this. So we're just going to do circle. We're going to do TTR. And the two number that I assume, quick, the two number that I assume is a 120 and 100. So that just makes sense for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for my problem. TTR, enter. I'm going to click on all the way up here to all the way down here. And I put in 120. All right. Now, if you ask me why is it 120, I try other numbers and it doesn't look like the curve is nice enough. This right here is 52. And then I try other number, try to align with that one. So if it doesn't curve as good as that, or look like the pictures, I don't like that. So that's 120 and this is 100. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. TTR, enter. And click on actually down here, 100. Okay. And then I'm going to go and trim. Trim out the section we need to trim. Hit escape. I'm going to go ahead and delete this right here from my thing. All right. I believe this problem, if nothing else, if I did not make a mistake or anything, is done. All you have to do is just change your things to your dimension layer, and then you just take out your dimension. And this dimension that we guesstimate is 100, and this dimension here is 120. This just makes sense for me, so that's why I do it. All right, enjoy. And by the way, if you're wondering why I do dimensions, I do layers. So you can see if I turn off the layer, everything is gone. So now imagine that you are actually building a floor plan or something, and you got electrical and plumbing and all that stuff. You can turn things on and off so people can see it. Enjoy.